And the reason this happens is really because a lot of the teams, departments inside of our company, inside of our organizations, they kind of act as their own silos in different islands, right? You have marketing, maybe marketing's using Asana, engineering might be using Jira, HR might be using Workday or Bamboo, accounting might be in QuickBooks and some spreadsheets and their own piece of software. And everybody's kind of operating on their own without one unified place of work that connects our common goals and all the work that we're executing towards. So that's really what's happening today and what we want to solve. And really this is a much bigger problem than you may have even realized. There's a lot of studies that show majority of the time that employees, that teams, that individuals spend during work is working on things about work, not doing the skilled things that you should be. It's only roughly 40% of the time is spent on actually working on the things that ultimately provide value to the company. And the other things are communicating about tasks, searching for information, switching, context switching, finding what you're looking for. All those things happen because all of these silos are built, all these little islands and collections of things are in their own areas, and there's no one unifying place of work. And that's why we're talking about building the Atlassian operating system. It's really just one big place for everything to come in, all of our goals, all of our execution, all of our knowledge, everything that happens in the company, everything that we work towards, all into one single place. That's really the goal of what we want to build when it comes to Atlassian. And thankfully, Atlassian's been pushing pretty hard in this area as well. And they've been doing a lot on the software side and even on like the Atlassian system of work to give us the opportunity to build something that actually has a lot of potential when it comes to using Jira, Confluence, Atlassian tools for every single team in our company, including goals, which is one of the coolest things for sure. The biggest Jira mistake I see being made is when teams try to achieve a goal by implementing Jira, but they miss the execution layer. This is the thing that allows you to achieve your goals inside of your tool layer. And if you're curious how we implement the grid operating system with our clients, hit the first link in the description below.